Hi, I'm Kristen, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's posture is Ardha Chandrasana, half moon pose. Half moon pose comes at the very beginning of all of our Bend 90 classes and towards the beginning of almost all of our other yoga classes. It is a key posture in warming up your body and setting you up for a strong practice. Half moon includes both lateral flexion of the spine, bending to the right and then to the left, and a back bend. This warms up your spine, promotes spinal strength and flexibility, gets your energy, your prana moving, tones your abdomen, and really helps correct bad posture. Form is key though. You must move in perfect lateral flexion without backward bending or hunching forward to really promote strength on both sides of the body. In the back bend, make sure the back bend goes through your total spine, not just hinging at the lower back and at the neck, but really getting into the middle spine, the hardest part of the spine to strengthen. Let's take a look and get some tips for your form. Half moon pose, Ardha Chandrasana. Feet together, toes and heels touch. Arms up over your head sideways, palms together. Interlock your fingers, release your index fingers, cross your thumbs. Make sure palms glue together, arms straight. Hips a little forward so they're right underneath you. Pull your stomach in, chest up. Look straight ahead, take a deep breath, stretch up, and slowly bend your body to the right. As you bend your body to the right, make sure both knees lock and elbows lock. Keep your entire body the same distance from the wall in front of you. Avoid collapsing forward or arching back, bringing your shoulders behind your hips. Instead, pull your navel in. Gently draw your lower ribs together and down towards your hips, abdomen strong, and move along that line. Inhale, breathing, come back up. Stomach in, hips tight, deep breath, stretch up, and bend your body to the left. This is lateral flexion of the spine. Again, no forward rounding or back bending. Keep everything parallel, hips tight. You may need to bring your right hip forward on this side, your left shoulder forward. Make sure your chin is up off your chest, squeeze your palms, and come down and breathe. Inhale, come back up. Let's take a look at the back bend, the half moon back bend from the side view. Feet together. Take a deep breath, stretch up, and drop your head back. Backward bend, lift your arms up first to lift your chest, and then reach your arms back. Avoid simply collapsing into your lower spine to see back further. Instead, push your heels into the floor, pull your stomach in, and lift the middle of your chest up to the ceiling to access your middle spine. Wherever you go to, focus one spot and breathe there. Inhale, breathing, come back up, arms down by your side. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.